Hey, Zac and Jesse, this is Jim Klafehn from Ithaca, New York. First off, I love your channel. I watch it all the time. I think I've caught up on pretty much every video you've ever posted. I wanted to send you guys a video about my projects and what I have going on here. And the weather, as you can kind of see it out there behind me, has been pretty unforgiving. I've been hoping to make this video with everything clean and nice with some good sunlight, but it hasn't really worked out that way. Today it is 7 degrees Fahrenheit. It's really, really cold, so I'm gonna make this quick for you guys. So I'm gonna spin the camera around and I'll show you what I have here and what I've been working on. So here's my collection of Toyota RAV4 EVs. I've been a fan of the car since it came out, and I have mine on the right, which I bought brand new. It's a 2014. The one here in the middle is my wife's. It's a 2012. And then on the left, I found a good deal and I just had to pick it up. So that one's a 2013. Great car. There's lots of information about it online if you're curious, but I won't spend too much time on those. But awesome car. Definitely check it out. And then outside here, I normally have this inside my garage, but we just got back from a trip and I haven't had a chance to get it inside yet. Check out my channel for more information, but this is a range extending trailer that I built. It's all self-containing right inside that box there. So it manages the battery, temperature, heating, cooling, everything. It's a standalone unit that all I need to do is take the Anderson connector that's on that side on the bottom right, and I can plug that right into my car in the rear, and I can double my range basically. And then when it's home, I have a AC to DC, or I'm sorry, DC to AC inverter right here, and this will power my entire house. This is a 10 kilowatt inverter. This will power my entire house off the battery pack. I could also power my house off of the RAV4. So very cool. And next I'll show you the new camper that I'm building. This is my next version of my range extending trailer. I call both of these the T-Rex for trailer range extender. This one is built on top of a Tesla 85 kilowatt hour battery pack. And on top of that battery pack, I am building what they call a foamie. And this is entirely built out of foam. You can see the wood veneer on the inside, and then the whole thing is going to be wrapped in fiberglass. So it's coming along great. I won't go into too many details here, but check out my YouTube channel if you are curious on what I've going on. I document pretty much everything I do, and I stutter and stumble through everything, and I hope people enjoy it. But yeah, thanks a lot for taking the time to let me show my projects. Thanks a lot, Zac and Jesse.